Hello everyone. At first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are great by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also ill by the grace of Almighty. Actually, my name is Fuad. I am from Kustia. Today I am come here for say something about Bangladesh, one of biggest problems. And the problem is pollution. Today I would like to say something about pollution. Bangladesh is a beautiful and peaceful country, but right now our country one of biggest problem is pollution. We face daily many kind of pollution, such of water pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution and air pollution. So I am starting to air pollution. Air pollution is mainly caused by vehicle smoke, brick field smoke and burning wastage smoke. When polluted smoke mixed in our environment, that time our air is polluted. And the next pollution is water pollution. Water pollution mainly caused by throwing plastic in water, and our country's water pollution main reason is when villages and homes people, manufacturers, they are dumping their wastage in water. When they are dumping their wastes in water, that time our water is polluted. And the next pollution is soil pollution. Soil means mother. Soil pollution main reason is chemical and throwing plastic. When we are use chemical in crops and throwing plastic in land, that time our soil is polluted. And one of main reason of soil pollution is pesticide. When we are use pesticide in land, that time our soil is polluted. And the next pollution is noise pollution. Who are live in towns, they are face this type of problems daily. Noise pollution mainly caused by traffic jam and construction site. We should reduce this type of problems by planting trees and using public transport and stop throwing wastes in water. Bangladesh is a beautiful and peaceful country, but this is our country one of main biggest problem. We should reduce this type of problem. When we are able to reduce this type of problem, that time we are able to live healthy and happy life. Thank you everyone for listening my short speech. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.